What's up guys, Steve from Cult of Mac here, back with another quick tips video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone speaker even louder. Let's throw 60 seconds on the clock and get started. First, make sure you're playing some music through the music app on your iPhone. This way you'll easily be able to tell the difference once we make the changes. Unfortunately, this tip will only work for apps that use the EQ settings, so for apps like YouTube, it won't make a difference. Once your music is playing, head into the settings app and scroll down to music. Then scroll to the EQ options and tap on that. You'll see all of the usual presets you'd expect to see for different types of music, such as jazz, hip hop, Latin. But within there, you'll also see the late night option. Tap on that and your music should now sound louder. It will adjust the EQ to make any of the quiet elements of a song to be louder, and therefore making the music sound louder. Alternatively, you can try the loudness setting, which may give you a result you prefer. Personally, I prefer to leave these options off as I find the other EQ settings to sound more pleasant. But with the amount of people who have complained to me about the volume of their iPhone, I thought this tip was worthwhile. Stop the clock, that is it for this tip. It also works for any iPad or iPod, so test it out and let me know in the comment section down below how it fares for you. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single video from Cult of Mac. I'll catch you in the next one.